Hello my dear students, I Mrs. Supriya Sonone welcome you all to Nagesh Karajgi Orchid School. Students, in the previous session what we have learned? We have learned multiplying a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number with regrouping, and today I am going to teach you multiplying a 3-digit number by 1-digit number with regrouping. So be ready with your canopy, open your canopy textbook and page number 25. So students, today we are going to see multiplying a 3-digit number by a 1-digit number with regrouping. Okay? First question, first example, multiply 142. 142, this is a 3-digit number by 5. 5 is the 1-digit number. Okay, first we have to arrange this type, means in ones 2 will come, in tens column 4 will come, and in hundreds column 1 will come, multiplied by 5. There are 3 steps. There are 3 steps. In the first step, what is there? Multiply 2 ones by 5. See, multiply these 2 ones by 5. Means 5 twos are 10. We have to write 0 in the ones column and carry 1 to the tens column. Okay. Now next step, step number 2, multiply 4 tens by 5. Multiply 4 tens by 5. Means 5 fours are how much? Correct. 5 fours are 20. 20 means we have to add this 110 in 20 tens. We have to add this 110 plus 20 tens is equal to 21 tens. Means 21 tens means we have to write 1 in the tens column and carry 2 to the hundreds column. Okay, 2 will be the carry. Now step 3. In the step 3, multiply 100 by 5. This 100 by 5 means 5 ones are 5. We have to add these 2 hundreds in these 500s. Means 200s plus 500s is equal to 700s. Means 7 we have to write in hundreds column. 700 is there. Therefore, 7 we have to write in hundreds columns. So, 142 multiplied by 5, answer is or product is 710. 710. Do you understood? Now, we will see exercise number 15. Exercise number 15. See, find the product. Find the product. First one, 160 multiplied by 5. 160, this is 3-digit number. We have to multiply 3-digit number by a 1-digit number with regrouping. Okay. So first we have to multiply 0 ones multiplied by 5. What is the answer? 0 multiplied by 5. 0. Next, 6 tens multiplied by 5 means 5 into 6. 5 sixes. How much? 5 sixes 30. 30 means 0 in the tens column and 3 is the carry over. Okay? Means 3 will be the carry. Next, 100 multiplied by 5. 5 ones are 5. Plus we have to add this 3. We have to add this 3. 5 hundreds plus 300. What comes? After 5, you count 3 fingers. 6, 7, 8. Correct? Means 160 multiplied by 5, 5 0 0, 5 6 30 means 0 here, 0 in tens place and 3 carried over, 5 1s are 5 plus 3 8. Understood? B number. 242 multiplied by 4. 242 multiplied by 4. First we have to multiply 2 ones by 4. 4 twos are 8. 8 ones means 8 we have to write in ones column. Okay? Don't write in tens column. 8 we have to write only in ones column. Next, 4 tens multiplied by 4. 4 fours are 16 means 6 we have to write in tens column and 1 carried on. Next, 4 twos are 8. 8 plus this 1, we have to add this 1. 4 twos are 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Means 242 multiplied by 4. Next example, 328 multiplied by 3. 328 multiplied by 3. First we have to multiply 8 ones by 3. Means 3 8s are, how much? 3 8s are 24. 24 means 4 we have to write in ones column and 2 carried over in tens column. Okay. Next, 3 twos are 6. 3 twos are 6 plus we have to add this 2. We have to add this 2. 3 twos are 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 we have to write in tens column. And last 300 multiplied by 3. 3 threes are 9. 900 means we have to write in hundreds column. 9 we have to write in hundreds column. Correct. Fourth number, 104. 104 multiplied by 5 means we are multiplying 3-digit number. See, 3-digit number by 1-digit number. We are multiplying 3-digit number by 1-digit number. Okay. So first we have to multiply these ones by 5. 5 fours are 20. 20 means 0 will be in ones place and 2 carried over. 2 will be the carry. Okay. 0 multiplied by 5. How much? 0 plus we have to add this 2. 0 plus 2. How much? 0 plus 2? 2. 2 we have to write in tens column and then 100 multiplied by 5 means 5 ones are 5. 500 and this 5 we have to write in hundreds column. Next, 455. In this number 455, 5 is the ones place, this 5 is the tens place and this 4 is the hundred place. Correct? Multiplied by 2. 2 5s are 10. 10 means 0 will come in ones place and 1 carried over. 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 means 1 will be in tens column and 1 again carried over. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Means 455 multiplied by 2, what is the product? 910 is the product. Second, 246. 6 is the ones place, 4 is the tens place, and 2 is the hundreds place. Multiplied by 3. 3 6 are 18, means 8 will be the ones place, 1 carried over. 4 3s are 4, 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 1, 13, means 3 we have to write in tens column and 1 as a carry, correct? 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7. This is the product. Now next number 155 multiplied by 4. 155 multiplied by 4. In this number 155, 5 is the ones place, this 5 is the tens place, and this one is the hundred place. So 155 multiplied by 4, 4 5s are 20. 0 we have to write in ones column, 2 carried over, 4 5s are again 20, 20 plus we have to add this 2, 21, 22 means 2 we have to write in tens column, and again 2 as a carry, 4 ones are 4, 4 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6. 620 is the product of 155 and 4. Next, 125 multiplied by 5. What is the place value of 5? Ones, 2, tens and 1 hundreds. 5 multiplied by 5. 5 5s are 25. 25 means 5 we have to write in ones column and 2 as a carry. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus we have to add this 2. 10 plus 2. 12. 12 2 we have to write in tens column and 1 carried over. 5 ones are 5 plus 1 6. Means 125 multiplied by 5, what is the product? 625 is the product. Now see this 136 multiplied by 6. 6 6s are 36. 6 6s are 36. Means 6 we have to write in ones column and 3 as a carry. 6 3s are 18. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 3. How much? 18 plus 3. After 18 count 3 fingers. 19, 20, 21. Means 1 we have to write in tens column. 1 we have to write in tens column. And 2 will be the carry. Next, 6 ones are 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2, 8. Next, 107 multiplied by 7. Here what is the place value of 7? Ones, 0, tens, 1, hundreds. Multiplied by 7. 7 sevens are how much? 7 sevens are 49. Means 9 we have to write in ones column. 4 as a carry. 0 multiplied by 7. 0 multiplied by 7. What is the answer? Correct, 0. And this 0 we have to add this 4. 0 plus 4, 4. 7 ones are 7. Means 749 is the product of 107 and this 7. Next, 123 multiplied by 8. 123 multiplied by 8. 8 threes are 24. Means 4 we have to write in ones column. 2 will be the carry in the tens place or in the tens column. 8 twos are 16. 16 plus 2, we have to add this 2. 16 plus 2, 17, 18. Means 8 we have to write in tens column and 1 carried over. Again 8 ones are 8 plus 1, 9. 9 we have to write in hundreds column. See this last one, 105 multiplied by 9. 105 multiplied by 9. What is the place value of 5? Ones. 0, tens and 1 in a hundreds place. Okay. So 9 fives are 45. 5 will be in ones column. 0, 4 carry. 0 multiplied by 9. 0 plus 4, 4, 9 ones are 9. So 105 multiplied by 9, what is the product? 945 is the product. Okay, now turn the page. Turn the page. Remaining 3 rows will be the homework. Remaining 3 rows will be the homework. See, these 3 rows will be the homework. You have to solve your by own. Okay. Next concept, multiplication by 10, 20, 30. What is the next concept? Multiplication by 10, 20, 30. See, 10 means 10 is 110. 10 is 110. Now what is the example? 68 multiplied by 10. 68 multiplied by 10. What is the answer? See, 68 into 10 means what? 110. 10 means 110. 68 into 1. 68. 68 tens. 68 tens. And tens means we have to give or we have to put 1 0 is equal to 680. Okay? See here, explanation is here. See, 68 multiplied by 10. Okay? 68 multiplied by 10. 680. 680. See, 8 multiplied by 10. 8 multiplied by 10. 10 8s are 80. Correct? 80. 10 8s are 80 means 0. We have to write in ones column and 8 carried over. 10 6s are 60. 60 plus 8, 68. 6 plus 8, 60 plus 8, 68. Okay. Next, 20 is 2 tens. 20 means 2 tens. 10 means 1 10. 20 means 2 tens. So 26 multiplied by 20. 26 multiplied by 20 is equal to 26 into 2 tens. 26 into 2 tens. Then 26 into 2. We have to solve this. 26, see 26 into 2. 2 6 are 12. 2 will be here and 1 will be the carry. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Means 26 into 2, 52. We have to write here tens. 52 tens. And tens means we have put 0 in the number in the ones place. See here, to multiply a number by 10, we can put a 0 in the number in the ones place. Same, to multiply a number by 20, first we have to multiply it by 2. Here we multiplied 26 multiplied by 2, 52, and then put a 0. Put a 0 in the product in the ones place. Means we have to put 0 in the ones place. Okay. Now 23 multiplied by 30. 30 means what? 30 means 3 tens. 30 means 3 tens. First we have to multiply 23 multiplied by 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. And put 1 0 in the product in the ones place. Okay. So to multiply a number by 30, we first multiplied by 3, then put a 0 in the product in the ones place. Okay. And we can do this for the numbers from 10 to 90. 10 to 90. We will see in the next exercise. Okay. Next exercise. Exercise number 16. Exercise number 16. See, exercise number 16, multiply 42 multiplied by 10. Means we have to multiply only 42 by 1. 42 ones are 42 and put 0 in the product in the ones place. Okay. Next, 54 multiplied by 10. 54 multiplied by 10 means we have to multiply only 54 multiplied by 1. 54 ones are 54. And then put 1 0 in the ones place. Okay. Next, 32 multiplied by 2. 2 multiplied by 20 means 20 means 2 tens. Therefore, we have to multiply only 32 by 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. And put 1 0 in the ones place. Understood? Next, 46 multiplied by 20. 20 means 2 tens. 20 means 2 tens. In 20 number, what is the place value of 2? Tens. Okay. 2 6 are 12 means 2 and 1 will be the carry. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1, 9. And put 1 0 in the ones place. Put 1 0 in the ones place. Understood? Next, 99 multiplied by 10. 99 multiplied by 10. 99 ones, 10 means 110. Means you have to multiply only 99 by 1. 99 multiplied by 1 means 99 and put this 0. Next, 82 multiplied by 20. 82 multiplied by 20. 20 means 2 tens. So we have to multiply only 82 multiplied by 2. 2 2s are 4 and 2 8s are 16. Next example, 82 multiplied by 20. 20 means 2 tens. Therefore, we have to multiply 82 by 2. Okay? 2 2s are 4 and 2 8s are 16 and put 0 in the ones place. Okay? Next, 33 multiplied by 30. 30 means 3 tens. 30 means 3 tens. So we have to multiply 33 by 3. 3 3s are 9. And this 3 3s are 9. And put this 0 in the ones place. Next, 26 multiplied by 30. Again 30 is here. Therefore, we have to multiply only 3. 26 multiplied by 3. 3 6s are 18. 8 here. 1 as a carry. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7 and put this 0 in the ones place. Understood? Now see, remaining these 2 rows will be the homework. Okay? Remaining 2 rows will be the homework. So, students, we have completed exercise number 16. Okay? So, students, I hope you understood multiplying a 3-digit number by 1-digit number with regrouping, and next concept, multiplication by 10, 20 and 30. So remaining part we will see in the next session. Okay, thank you.